My name is Paweł Kłos and I'm the director of the windowsill department. Medos is a leading manufacturer of window and door hardware. We supply our products to 60 countries. Our range includes window and door handles, hinges, and stainless steel pull handles. We are also one of the largest windowsill manufacturers in Poland, as well as a distributor of construction chemicals and installation materials. Before implementing LogiComb, we stored materials in many scattered locations, including outdoors. This setup took up too much space, made access difficult, slowed down processes, and carried a risk of damage. LogiComb allowed us to gather everything in one place, providing much easier and faster access. In an area of less than 1,500 square meters, we can store up to 3,000 tons of goods. Now, it only takes one person to run it, and most importantly, the stored material doesn't get damaged. There were also tangible benefits, saving 6,000 square meters of space, which increased space utilization efficiency by 300%, and the picking process sped up tenfold. Our satisfaction with ISL and the tangible benefits of implementing LogiTower systems mean we can confidently recommend this solution to any company considering warehouse automation.